This is Bob Morris out at the Ahern Orchard in North Las Vegas, Nevada. Just to show you a little bit of what's going on out here. Look at this. All of these what we call weeds out here. You see them down this row of grapes we have here at the orchard. Those are mustards. They're wild mustards. They're going to seed right now. They're growing and will go to seed, but they're a winter annual. They go ahead and set seed in the fall. Then the seed germinates into a tiny little plant called a rosette, and then finally it finishes growing in the spring and sets seed, and more seed is produced, and which starts a cycle all over. That's why it's called a winter annual, where it germinates in the fall, overwinters in the winter, then comes up in the spring and finishes it out in the spring. But what I wanted to show you is the value of this mulch. Yeah, these are wood chip mulches, but anytime you put a mulch down like this, look at the weed control you get. Wherever the mulch is thick, 3-4 inches deep, you see the mulches, though the mustards are growing on the outside of it where they can get some soil and moisture, and they're not growing on the inside where the mulch is covered. This works really good for annual weed control, whether it's winter annuals or summer annuals. If you look through here, wherever the mulch is thin, you're going to see some weeds coming up. Here's some mustards coming up here, and this is where the soil is very close to the surface on it. But if the mulch is thick enough, 3 to 4 inches deep, you're going to get a suppression of annual weed growth in here. Not the perennial like the Bermuda grass and nut grass or weeds, but those weeds that are annuals, summer annuals and winter annuals.